Welcome to our video about setting the flow parameters on your WaterSwitch leak detection system. In order to change the flow parameters, you need to change the dip switches inside your main control unit. Please open the valve control and refer to the 6 numbered dip switches and the brown setting button and LED. The main purpose of the dip switches is to set the flow meter settings. The current settings for your control unit will usually be found on your handover document. Dip switches 1, 2 and 3 are for the continuous flow settings and 4, 5 and 6 are for the no flow settings. Before changing these settings, think carefully why this is being done, as it might affect how effective the leak detection will be. Please refer to page 4 of the installation guide for the different time options available. For purposes of this video, I'm changing the settings to 1 hour of continuous flow and 24 hours of no flow. For this setting, dip switch 1 is put into the on position. Dip switch 2 and 3 is in the off position. Then 4 and 5 is in the on position and 6 is in the off position. Then press the brown setting button, release immediately, and the control will beep once and flash orange. Thank you for watching. If you have any other queries, please look at the other videos available on our YouTube channel or check our support page at www.leaksafe.com.